In this video, we will show you how to replace your front sway bar link on this Honda Accord. This is part of your front suspension. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely raise and support the front of your vehicle so the wheels are off the ground. Once you've done that, continue on to removing all 5 of your 19mm lug nuts and then the wheel. You'll find that you have a 17mm headed bolt that comes through from the front, through the control arm, all the way along the backside of that strut area. Use a 17mm for both sides. Let's get this out of here. Now we'll remove the bolt by driving it out from the rear towards the front. A quick inspection and we'll set it aside. Now we'll continue on to where the sway bar link connects to your lower control arm. You'll find that you have a 14mm nut. Commonly for this, you can use an Allen head directly in the center of the stud of the sway bar link. Hold that stud and use a 14mm to remove the nut. Ours is completely rusted. Let's get my swivel socket on here. Now that we have that one off of there, let's move along and do the same thing to the top nut. Now we can remove that sway bar link. We'll set that aside for recycling. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new front sway bar link. Remove the mounting hardware. We'll take this and put it in position along the sway bar. Start on your 15mm nut. To bottom out this nut, we're going to continue by holding the center of the stud with a 3/16 Allen head socket. Continue on by tightening the nut with a 15mm, and then you can torque it. Now that I have this snug, the torque for this will be 28 foot-pounds. Let's put on the lower sway bar link nut. We'll snug this up and then torque it to 22 foot-pounds. We'll align this as needed, put the bolt in from the front towards the rear. Just slide it right on through. You may have to raise or lower the suspension as needed. At this point, we'll continue on putting pressure underneath the lower control arm, being careful not to damage our lower ball joint stud. What we need to do is apply pressure in the upward manner so that it brings the vehicle into the original ride height position. We'll use our 17mm to snug this bolt and then we'll torque it to 47 foot-pounds. Remove the support from underneath your control arm. Reinstall your wheel, start on all the lug nuts, and then torque them to 80 foot-pounds. With the wheel on the ground, we'll torque these in a crisscross manner. Okay friend, we showed you how to install the sway bar link on the front of your vehicle. The process for one side of the vehicle is the same as the other. Aside from that, take it for a road test, make sure you don't hear any funny noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.